I got a bluebird on my shoulder. I got a bluebird on my shoulder. I saw her standing by the water. She was naked, her hair in great disorder. And I know that I'm alive, and the rest is life. I sent a warning of disaster. I sent a warning, I warned of great disaster. I sent that bluebird down the water. I sent